What's going on, people? We're going to talk about VVS Finance today. It looks like we're heading to some sort of a danger zone with the price action, so we're going to talk about that. And I also want to talk to you about some sort of updates, that VVS Finance has been having with Crypto.com. Good updates and just something for you to keep up with. And overall, man, I've been looking at the previous videos. We had a lot of people, not a lot of people, but some people are talking about this being some sort of a rug pull, being some sort of a scam. They're writing essays in the comments whether, there's no connection between Crypto.com and VVS Finance. Man, I mean, like we gotta see between the lines here. We gotta look at. Let me just switch my chart here and let me just switch my screen here. So we're gonna talk about the price action in a second here. Check out the video chapters and so you can switch between these updates or the if you just want to skip right to the price predictions. Also, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and make sure you subscribe if you want daily updates for VVS Finance. We put out a video every couple of days or every day sometimes for VVS Finance and Crypto.com. So make sure you subscribe and you hit the bell notification icon, man, so you can get notified. So nonetheless, we go back here to the screen. A couple of days ago, on December 15th, actually, that was yesterday, Crypto.com DeFi wallet is now integrated with VVS Finance Swap. And hey, now you can go and, bridge Chronos tokens. You can swap, you can do whatever you want. You can stake, you can do whatever, DeFi. If you go to your Crypto.com DeFi wallet app, and if you go to apps, you'll see VVS Finance. And from there, you can swap, you can check your account, you can do whatever you want. Crypto at your fingertips, DeFi at your fingertips, at your phone. A lot of people are doing that, man. A lot of projects are doing that, and VVS Finance is the one where that swapping is happening in that, the DeFi services. So I don't know, what we're talking about when we're talking about a rug pull. I don't know. That means you're saying that Crypto.com is supporting a rug pull when we clearly see that they're putting up a product here. So you gotta look between the lines, man. You gotta see what's been happening, and it's an opportunity. So it's a lot to be said here. But again, here, we talked before about Crypto.com. I was saying that Crypto.com at one point is going to start promoting VVS Finance. And the reason why is because, VVS Finance, the smart contracts are developed by Particle B. Particle B, who's the founder of Particle B, is Gary Orr, and he was the co-founder of Crypto.com. We found some sort of connection there. We projected that's we're gonna have some favorites happening on the Crypto.com umbrella ecosystem in terms of the of automated market makers such as VVS Finance. There's going to be some sort of promotion. Guess what? We're starting to see the promotion happen. So wake up, man. Wake up. Crypto.com DeFi wallet is now integrated with VVS Finance. We talked about that here. So we're seeing more and more of Crypto.com promoting VVS Finance, which is amazing. If you're a VVS Finance holder, that's good for us, man. Crypto.com. So again, another one, VVS is now available for crypto earn, deposit, and receive up to 3% interest now. Details are here. So yeah, you can VVS now is available for crypto earn. If you go on crypto earn on crypto.com, you can find VVS Finance there, man. It's good to see. December 14th, introducing Miner Mole. So a couple of days ago, they had this NFT drop. We don't really talk about NFTs on this channel. If you want to talk about NFTs, we'll start bringing people to talk about NFTs as well. Some of my friends are heavily into NFTs. I would be more than happy to get them here, on a weekly hot take NFT for all the people, but specifically for Crypto.com. But anyway, so Crypto.com NFTs, they introduced Miner Moles, just an NFT pack drop, 10,000 of them, and they tagged VVS Finance on it. And again, Miner Mole is this little cute miners mining, VVS, you're mining, staking, whatever the hell you want to do. It's basically what you are doing basically on VVS Finance. They made a NFT for that, and again, partnership with VVS Finance. So keep that in mind, man. Same thing here, and what do we have here? Yeah, VVS Swap is now natively integrated on a Crypto.com app, so check that out. Now, for the price analysis, man, with all the good news, we can't be so optimistic. We gotta, always look objectively into the price action. This is what we're seeing here, right? So we're seeing here that has been a rough, I would say, ever since the beginning of December, we've been dropping heavy. We're seeing here that there's the MA ribbon right above us, and we're seeing that soon. And I saw the last video I put out, we were talking about us finding some sort of support at this previous level over here. So let me just move this away, and I'll move this right here. and I want to use the tools. Let me just move my ugly ass face out of it. There we go. So this is what we got, guys. The EMA ribbon is right above us. Looks like here we've been dropping heavy ever since December 3rd. It's been dropping and dropping, pretty steeply, and now it's at 54% drop. In the last video, we're talking about this level over here. So at this level, you'll see that that's the beginning, almost the first couple of days of VVS Finance being available on this on the exchange. We saw here that these are nice wicks to see. If you're new to crypto or you're new to trading or whatever, when you see wicks here to the bottom saying that the price tried to go all the way down, sellers tried to push the price action all the way down here, buyers came in and rejected it repeatedly a bunch of times, and they pushed the price action above. And look at the nice follow through that came right after this. Now we've been dropping, and we're at that zone again, this zone right here. And we expected some buyers to jump in. Now not a lot came in yet. We're seeing some sort of resistance coming in at the 7747. So we need to break above that resistance. But what I was saying here with the danger zone is the fact that this is the EMA ribbon. If you guys watch from my previous videos, I really look at the EMA ribbon to gauge if I'm uptrending, downtrending, if there's something coming up with the market soon. What should I expect or anticipate for the price action? You'll see here this EMA ribbon, it's right above us. If we're above it, if we're below it, sorry, we get into it and we kind of see some selling happening. And that happens a couple of times until at one point it's not sustainable. The drop is not sustainable anymore, and buyers will have to take over. Then we see this EMA ribbon flip, where the green becomes in the bottom and the blue becomes at the top, just like we're having here. And we become again into we have some sort of reversal happening, and the downtrend becomes an uptrend. And the reason why this is pretty important, you'll see here, ever since we dropped below it, we came back above to it to retest it. We got rejected again, came back down, up again into it, exactly at it, got rejected. Every time we drop, we move sideways, get into it, we drop, move sideways, drop, and now we had a steep downtrend, and now we're starting to get into it more and more. So now, what's the plan here? What do we think? What do we think is going to happen? Now, a couple of things. This is still a very valid support zone. I think, in my opinion, I still think buyers are going to come in. So let's just say here, this is a pattern where, something is going to happen soon here. If you go to the 1 hour, you'll see here that any drop, you're going to see here that any drop coming up, in my opinion, some sort of a drop is going to come up, at this point, or maybe at this point. Something's going to happen as soon as we drop below these levels. And it would be some sort of, continuous, rapid drop. Now, are we going to drop below this? Or are we going to have some sort of a drop like this, where it's like a higher high, and then continue to go back above, and then, play around for a bit, and then try to knock against this, a couple of times? Is this zone over here enough of a zone to cause this to actually continue to go up again? We're not sure. We need to see the market and what the market tells us first. I'm very excited for VVS Finance in the next couple of years, man, and next couple of months, even, in my opinion. But again, some people want to know what's happening with the price action. So that's what we do here on this channel, man. So, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, bro. So nonetheless, right now, I just want to kind of warn you guys that we're getting into this danger zone. We need to see what's going to happen. You could easily still see it shoot up into the zone overall and then come back down. But nonetheless, we need to see some sort of a flip happening on the 4 hour. We need to start seeing this over here. These EMAs start like pointing upwards or pointing sideways a bit to tell us that there's a bit of a stagnation on the price as opposed to continuous rapid downtrend. And we want this price to jump above these EMAs at one point, because at one point these EMAs will squeeze. We're gonna start seeing something soon. If this is the area where the buyers are gonna come in, we're gonna start seeing some sort of a squeeze happening where all these guys squeeze, and then the price goes above, comes back down to retest. Now we push upwards, and these EMAs will start having some sort of a support, which starts to support us all over again. Price comes back down to it, boom, Boom, boom. So we need to see what's gonna happen, man. All I'm saying is that we are, buyers are gonna get tested, and then we're gonna see if there's some more and more selling. One thing that I would say is actually a good thing is that the volume has been dropping since November 14th. Which means that there's less and less interest in this trend, and maybe sellers are losing. There's some sort of an exhaustion from the seller side. That's what a volume that's been decreasing means to us here. So let's see, man. Is there any more selling? All these people that have been mining and earning in these like auto VVS farming here. Is this high APY gonna subside at one point? Are these guys gonna continue to dump on the market? Let's see what's gonna happen. We're objective. We just want the market to talk to us first. But again, if you want to zoom out, man, zoom out and see what's happening here. See at all this. 10 million users on crypto.com app are gonna start getting exposed to VVS finance. Do we really think any of this matters right now? I don't know, man. We gotta open our eyes. I'm very excited. I'll keep you updated. I'll probably make another video tomorrow, see what's gonna happen with the price action. But nonetheless, there's a bit of a caution that we need to take here. So make sure you keep that in mind, man. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you. My throat is done. I need some water. I love all you guys. Thank you for all the support, man. It's been overwhelming. These videos have been blowing up, man. We never had really had this before. And, all the nice comments we see. Appreciate you. All the negative comments as well. We still love you, man. So appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you check out our Discord as well, if you want to ask us questions there. God bless you. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.